Want to sound like a native English speaker? These 10 everyday phrases are used all the time in real conversations. Let's break them down. Number 1, break the ice. This means to start a conversation or ease tension in an awkward social situation. For example, I told a funny story to break the ice at the party. Use this when meeting new people or starting a meeting with strangers. Number 2, hit the nail on the head. This means to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. For example, you hit the nail on the head. That's exactly what went wrong. Use this to tell someone their observation is perfectly accurate. Number 3, under the weather. This means feeling slightly ill or not at your best. For example, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I'll stay home. It's a casual way to say you're sick, and it sounds softer than saying I'm ill. Number 4, piece of cake. This means something that is very easy to do. For example, don't worry about the test. It was a piece of cake. Use this after completing something easily or to reassure someone that a task is simple. Number 5, let the cat out of the bag. This means to accidentally reveal a secret. For example, I was planning a surprise party, but my sister let the cat out of the bag. Remember, this is always about secrets revealed by accident, not on purpose. Number 6, bite off more than you can chew. This means to take on a task that is too big or beyond your ability. For example, I volunteered for 3 projects at once. I definitely bit off more than I could chew. It's great for admitting you overcommitted. Number 7, on the same page. This means to be in agreement or have a shared understanding. For example, let's have a quick meeting to make sure we're all on the same page. This one is very common in workplaces. Number 8, the ball is in your court. This means it is now your turn to take action or make a decision. For example, I've sent the proposal. The ball is in their court now. It comes from tennis. Use it when you've done your part and are waiting on someone else. Number 9, burn the midnight oil. This means to work late into the night. For example, I had to burn the midnight oil to finish the report before the deadline. Use this to describe staying up late working or studying, not just staying up late for fun. Number 10, cost an arm and a leg. This means to be extremely expensive. For example, that new phone costs an arm and a leg. Use this for dramatic effect when something is way too expensive. It's always exaggeration. Now you've got 10 phrases to start using in your everyday conversations. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. See you next time.